Comment down below how much this Hellcat's going for right now. Pause the video, do that, and then start it and see if it's high or low. Am I getting even good deals? Is this auction even a good one? Pause the video. Comment how much this car is going for currently at the time of this video. Now. Alright. It's going for $46,800. $46,800. Is that a good deal? It has 11,000 miles. It's a 16. It's the Hellcat. I don't know, guys. I'm not big in the Hellcat stuff. People hype up the horsepower and stuff, but they're so heavy they're not even that fast. I mean, depends on who you ask, I guess. But this is it. 46. Is that good? Okay. Yeah. Let me know. I mean, the quicker the better, but up to you. That was a lady that filled out our online credit application for financing. So she's gonna come in. She wants to use her trade-in only as a down payment. So what we do is basically we give her a value, usually towards the Kelley Blue Book trade-in value, and then we'll basically say, okay, we gave her $1,100 for her 06 Impala. She basically, in a sense, for the lenders, whenever they say how much down, we just say $1,100 because that's what we're giving her for a trade-in. So she uses that as basically like collateral in a sense for the down payment, and then she's looking at the minivan. She actually doesn't even want the minivan. Her parents are just trying to tell her how, I guess, valuable having that much room is and the sliding doors, because I could hear her kids in the background. But she's very lenient and open. She just wants more room. So we basically got her a general pre-approval. She's going to come in and we'll see how it goes. But she's got about 8 to 10 SUV options she can pick from, and her credit's good. So yeah, it's really, really cool. And on a brighter note, even brighter than that, I like talking to really nice people in the car business because a lot of them are already skeptical with car dealers. So whenever we get a nice one, it's just really cool to see. She was awesome. So, but on a brighter note, we just bought our first Arkansas car or vehicle for the newest Arkansas location. Here is actually a photo of our temporary Karsten Moore lettering that you can see right here or somewhere in the video of how the building looks right now. It's yellow right now, but and that's going to be all green, our Karsten Moore colors, and then black lettering. But the police department has to come by and verify that it's going to be a future business for the city, and we just wanted to get it up quick. So it's on yellow right now, but it's going to be green. That photo, it's really, really cool to see. But we bought our first Arkansas location car, an 08 Hyundai Santa Fe. Got it in Lafayette, Indiana, and it has to go to the BB, Arkansas. The BB, Arkansas. What was that? Did you see that photo? It was like plants. Anyways, this is it. Super nice. In Arkansas, there's no emissions. This doesn't have a check engine light though, but like most people expect it. So this is gonna be like an ultra nice car there. It's a limited black leather, sunroof, the bigger 20-inch wheels. Dirty inside, we'll detail it, but I mean, it's a nice one. And especially for over there, it's kind of a lower income state, but this is a great first car. First Arkansas car bought. Let's go.
Thank you. I know.
What is going on, guys? We are in the back of the shop. We have a customer up front. They're signing paperwork, and we're just making sure that their oil is good and all that, and all the fluids are good to go. And then we will be good to go. So,
A photo with you guys in the Lexus?
Yeah. Let's do this.
And this donut's hot off the Krispy Kreme line at Karsten and Moore. Another one.
what they do.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. You too.
Got this 2006 Impala here, V6 motor.
Looks like we got a faulty oil pressure switch, causing faulty readings on the instrument cluster for the amount of oil the engine's getting. Looks like we'll get that switch replaced and get this bad boy back on the road.
All right, guys, we're over at TechBuds HQ. Jake's showing us around to the brand new building and showing us his office.
So this is
He's got
Caleb's-
like 6.
This is Caleb's room.
Yeah, right here. Actually gonna put up a bed right here. This is like probably one of the like. Oh, you have a whole wing, huh, for your little.
That's what he's saying. Oh,
Because you don't really
Let's
need
see.
windows for your stuff, huh?
no, but I need one of these because UPS and USPS will start picking up stuff here.
Yeah.
So if I could prefer pick one, it'd be the last one over here. But this is if I'm getting more than one, this would be the dopest.
Oh yeah, this is good. All right, we just took a little break to come
Hey,
over, check out TechBuds HQ, 45,000 square feet.
What?
6,700.
Wait, 67,000?
Max 60,000 square feet.
Out the back.
Yeah, okay. Hey,
Back
Don
to the
wants go on a
dealership.
phone call when we get back.
Congratulations,
Okay?
TechBuds.
So,
These guys work really hard and inspire us.
and then you can just take my car.
All right, guys, we are finishing out the day. We're actually signing and applying for our Arkansas dealer's license. We sold, I think, 1 car today, and super cool. Actually, we sold 2. Michael got a car. We shipped that thing from, where did we ship that from?
Alabama.
Alabama, all the way here. It came in today. Michael, the guy behind the camera right now, congrats, dude. Congrats to Ricky on his new headquarters. I think he got an absolute steal on that giant building. So yeah, shout out to Rick, shout out to Mike, and shout out to the Lexus ES 300 owners. And we're gonna finish up this paperwork, but I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys wanna follow us on Instagram, click the link down below in the description. If you guys wanna check out our website, click that other link, it's down in the description as well. Let us know in the comments anything we could do to improve our website or any new videos that you would like to see in the future. I will see you guys next time.